Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the digital prints that are available this week. But before we get into that, if you ordered anything with me in the last few, 5 years since I started offering classes and stuff, check your email, and I sent 3 free digital files and I'll show you the 3 digital files. So there's this one, there's the large Christmas bulb with the gold bottom, and these last week we released the smaller ones and the 2-inch ones, but he didn't have time to do the bigger ones, so it was a perfect opportunity to give one of those for free because I want to give ones that were not available for purchase yet. So I knew that everyone was going to get some new digital prints. Then I told him to use the same gift as this one, but to make it pink because I wanted pink Christmas gifts. So this one, the 2-inch one, and the big gifts were sent to you as free. And then there's on the site right now, there's also going to be these ones. So these will still be available for purchase, but if you receive the email, you already got those 3 for free. So then there's the 1.5 inch, the 1.25 inch, and the 1 inch. And I say that because if you can cut them out if you want, but we made them so that they'll fit in a punch too. So it's kind of a double duty. You can cut it out or you can punch it out. So if if you're like me right now that cutting out is a little difficult, I can just get someone to punch these out for me. So you have the 1.5, the 1.25, and then the 1 inch. So the new embellishments this week is some different Christmas bulbs. If you've been following me for a while, you know that gold is kind of not my favorite color, but I knew that a lot of people it is. So we did it with the gold, and I said, now I want some Christmas bulbs with silver. And then I said, since we're doing new ones, I want them different. So these ones are a little bit more pointier and these ones are more like rounded. So these will come in all the different sizes. So the 1.5, the 1.25, and then the 1 inch, and then we'll have the 2 inch and then the bigger ones, and the bigger ones are ready this week too. So again, this will fit. You can cut them out by yourself, or you can use a 1.5 inch punch, a 1.25 inch punch, and a 1 inch punch. And it comes in all of our, what I call our Christmas colors. Now for these ones, I only printed 5 of them. So you got the red, the purple, the teal, the deep pink or the dark pink, and the light pink. Okay, so let me show you all the different colors of our Christmas collections. I printed them all in the 2-inch form. So we got the pink, we got the green, we got the purple, we got the red, we got the aqua, and then we have the teal, and then we have the dark pink. So I'll put the dark pink next to the lighter pink, and then we have the blue. So these are Christmas colors. So everything that we did that was Christmassy, we did in these 8 colors. So these are the 2-inch Christmas bulbs with the gray, but it also comes with the gold. So all of those come in these colors. The only thing that we didn't do in all the colors are the Christmas gifts. We only did a few colors, and then maybe we'll add to them next year, but this is our last sort of Christmas launch for this year. Okay, like 2020. I know this is going up on January 1st, but this will be the last for this season. So I just printed some of the bigger bulbs that is new this week. So we have the big bulbs again in the 8 colors in the gold. Again, I didn't print them all because I was having issues with my printer. And then we have the big bulbs with the silver in all 8 colors. Okay, so those are available right now on my website. And right now, today's going to be the last day that they're on for 50% off. So if you go to NicoleJones911.com, click on shop, and then embellishments, you can find all these embellishments at $1 a piece. And today is the last day. And today I am also launching my Patreon. And I'll have a video going up for that today also. But depending on the level that you choose, you'll get free digital prints. And the first free digital prints for January is the dark pink big bulbs. So this one is free. It's on my Patreon right now. And that's it. That's the new digital prints for this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.